we teaching today? Something nice, something sweet. So can you guess what is this? Today we are going to make the most popular coconut pudding. So let's see what all we need. So we'll start with the coconut milk. This is the first extract of coconut milk. It is 240 ml. Then you have the full fat milk, 240 ml. Then you have 2 spoons of fresh coconut, tender coconut. Then you have a half a vanilla pod. Just have slipped it. Can you see the vanilla inside? It's the real gold, actually, vanilla. Okay. Now we'll be moving to the Milkmaid. We'll be taking Milkmaid, Nestle Milkmaid, and we'll be taking only the half the quantity of Milkmaid. And 250 ml of fresh cream. 5 grams of agar-agar. It will give you the binding consistency. You can take from 5 to 10 grams. But I will be taking 5 because you will have the soft and smoothy texture. To see the texture, you get agar-agar in strands. So you have to measure it. Measuring is very important in this recipe. Then you have again 240 ml of a normal water. So before we start, let's just keep these things aside. We will be needing 240 ml of water and 5 grams of agar-agar. What we'll be doing is, we will be boiling this. I'll be inserting into this, and then I will boil it till the strands are soft. So you have to take out all the strands. Yeah. Now we will be boiling it till the strands are totally dissolved in the water. We'll keep on stirring it. Okay. So now we'll be moving to the second part. So whatever bowl you are going to put on the gas, the same bowl you have to use. So this I'll be using for simmering. So what I'll be doing is, I'll be just pouring 240 ml of coconut milk. This is only the first extract. I have taken 2 coconuts. So now again 240 ml of milk. This should be the thick milk, heavy milk. Then now we'll be using the fresh cream. It's 250 ml. So we'll be using this full packet. Now this we are going to take Milkmaid, Nestle, but I will be using only half the tin. Just only half the tin. That's it. See? Only half a tin. Then I'll be extracting, taking out the vanilla pod. What you have to do is scrape it out with your, see, can you see the vanilla pod? Yeah, vanilla seeds. Yeah, can I smell it? Wow. So strong, yeah, it's really. So I'll be taking out so now I have taken the seeds out, and now I'll be putting the pod, because pod also will be having the nice sweet smell. So now we'll be whisking all the things so that everything is mixed properly. Yeah, now I'll be putting on the gas. You have to keep on whisking it on a simmer gas. Please do not keep the flame on high, because the coconut milk may get burnt. So since it's a coconut milk, you have to do on a simmer thing and keep on whisking it. So moving to this agar-agar, our thing is totally dissolved. Can you just see? It is totally dissolved. And now what I'll be doing is offing my gas. So now what we have to do is keep on stirring it, but at the same time, please note the point, your agar-agar should be done first, and then after that only you can start this, because when this is done, you cannot add the hot agar-agar into the coconut milk. So, and now let us See, test. I'll be putting my finger into this and it should be a light warm. That's it. So now I'll be offing it. It should not be hot. It should be lukewarm. Yeah, I'll be offing the gas. Now I'll be adding the agar-agar. I'll strain the agar-agar into my pan. We'll just keep it aside. And then first what we have to do is we have to remove the pod. So I have removed the pod. You can just see the pod. We have to just remove the pod. And now we'll be straining my agar-agar into this. Why do we strain? Because if the strands are not dissolved properly, so this will not come into our mouth and disturb it. You will have the smooth texture. So now what we'll be doing is we'll be adding this tender coconut. It's almost around 2 spoons. Cut them finely. So now I'll be adding into my dish and mix it well. I will pour into my glasses and let it set. So I'll be using these glasses. So now my glasses are ready and the sweetness is correct since I've been making since long. And what you can do is you can even grind a tender coconut, slight crush, and you can have more of coconut. If you like more of coconut, tender coconut, you can have tender coconut, grind it, not very fine, you should have a crunch and add extra. So you have more of coconut along with the pudding. So yummy dish. So after 40 minutes, we can taste. It takes 40 minutes to rest, 40 minutes to 1 hour, and after that we can have. So have a great time. Thank you so much. If you like my dish, almost 1 hour. So let us see. I've just closed it and kept it for 1 hour. Wow. Aside and just see the wobbling. Can you just see the wobbling? So it is set. Now please do not keep this coconut pudding for a very long time in the outside. Just after 1 hour, keep it in. If you have extra, keep it in the fridge. Cool it down and have the chilled. So but I am just taking from the room temperature to show you. So wobbling. So let us taste. Can you see the cutting? Can you see the gel? The jelly part. It should be wobbling jelly. That is why I said 5 grams will do. So 5 to 10 you can take. See? Just in heaven. Just in heaven. My God. Would you like to see this much clearer? How soft and tender the pudding is. It's just 45 to 1 hour. That's all. It's melting in your mouth and the soft tender. My God. It's giving the excellent taste. So believe me, I just want to scoop it again and again. While I'm talking to you, I might finish my full glass, but I don't want to do that. I have to move on. 1 more spoon. It is that tasty. You can imagine when I'm keeping on eating this, it is that tasty. Simply heaven on earth. So coconut itself is a heaven on earth. So do you know much about the coconut? From coconut you can make fabric, you can make purses, You can make lots of things from coconut. So, thank you. If you like my recipe, if you like my thing, please do subscribe to Rajni Sharma Madan. So, please keep watching and have yummy dishes. Please do make and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Good night.